In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in GoDaddy website. We'll bring your existing contact list into your GoDaddy site so you can manage relationships and send compliant email campaigns. Start by opening your browser, go to Google, and type GoDaddy. From the results, open the official GoDaddy website. Sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your username to open the account menu. From there, choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything on your account, including domains, websites, and marketing tools. If you manage multiple sites, take a moment to identify the exact website you want to update. Checking the domain name here can prevent importing contacts to the wrong project. Find the website you want to work on and click Manage. You'll land in your site dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, select Customers. Depending on your view, this may appear as Customer or Contacts, but it's the same place where your contact records live. At the top, click Add or Import New Contacts. Because we're bringing in a list you already have, choose the option to upload an existing list by file. GoDaddy accepts .csv, .txt, .xls, or .xlsx files. Before you upload, a quick tip. Keep a backup of your original list. And for the smoothest import, make sure your spreadsheet has clear column headers like first name, last name, and email, with one contact per row. Avoid extra symbols or merged cells, and if possible, save your CSV in UTF-8 encoding to handle special characters cleanly. Next, click Upload from your device, then browse your computer and choose the file you want to import. Large files may take a moment to load, just let it process. After the file is selected, you may see GoDaddy recognize your column headers automatically. That's expected and helps align your data correctly. You'll be asked to set email marketing permissions. Choose Opt-in. This tells GoDaddy that the people on your list have given permission to receive marketing emails. It's an important step for deliverability and compliance, and it helps protect your sender reputation. When everything looks good, click Import File to begin. GoDaddy will process the file and add those contacts to your customer's area. Import times vary based on file size. If you see a notice about skipped rows, it usually means a line was missing a required field like an email address or was a duplicate. In that case, update your original list later and re-upload if needed. That's it. Your contacts are now in your GoDaddy website, ready to be organized and used in future campaigns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.